Every scuba diver dreams of swimming alongside turtles, whales, sharks, and dolphins. For the Kuwait Dive Team volunteers, though, sometimes swimming with these creatures is a source of sorrow rather than joy. The dive team works to rescue marine creatures caught in abandoned fishing nets, stuck in industrial plants, or injured by boats. And while the successful completion of these operations is always a relief, it is sad that they are required in the first place. In 1996, the maintenance crew at the Shuaiba Power Station, located south of Kuwait City, discovered 2 sea turtles in their plant. The turtles had swum from the open sea up into a pipeline for water intake used for cooling. The Shuaiba Power Station called the Kuwait Dive Team in to help. At 7 a.m. on Thursday, 25th of April, 1996, the 26 involved team members began work. Boats were carefully lowered into the pool, taking care to move slowly so as not to frighten the turtles. An all-day operation involved broken nets, trucks with cooling water speeding down the highway to the open sea, and a lot of stress, finally resulted in the safe release of the 2 turtles. 4 years later, another turtle was sucked into the power station's pool via its 21-meter pipe. Now more experienced and slightly more sure of success, 25 volunteers spent most of their Saturday one weekend in March 2000 to capture and release the creature, allowing it to follow the footsteps of the free animals from 1996. Today, the Kuwait Dive Team works with the government and corporations to encourage them to cover any pipelines so that large debris cannot travel into the open sea and so that sea creatures will no longer find themselves in dangerous areas. More regularly, sharks, crabs, fish, and other marine creatures are caught in abandoned nets everywhere in the ocean. The dive team releases them whenever they can and works to educate fishing communities and the public about the need to work against pollution so that we ensure that marine life is able to thrive freely.